What's up, guys? We're switching it up. It's March 10th. We're about 2 or 3 days till we head out for spring break. So usually with my videos, I work on the project, take pictures during it, and then commentate over it. 2020, it's new year, new me. That's pretty much how I started my current video kind of thing that's not out, that I've been working on for the last like 5 months, but this video might get out before then. It's March 10th. We'll see. You'll see, hopefully. Anyways, I'm going to switch things up. Usually, like I just said, take pictures during, commentate after. Right now, I'm going to come up with a plan for the current video that you guys are watching right now. So this is before I've done anything, and it's regarding one of the classes that I'm currently enrolled in. Let's cut to a clip where I think this idea probably started.
And then I found 1, 2, 3 zombies, number 3, 4, and 5, that I did not create. And I asked myself, who put those on my blockchain?
It wasn't me. It wasn't me. One more time. It wasn't me. Unfortunately, it wasn't me. So this is my professor talking about our most recent homework assignment, where we created CryptoZombies on a blockchain using Solidity contracts. Everyone in the class had to do it, and the professor obviously led the way, so he has a Solidity contract on an actual test blockchain that basically anyone can access. So somebody accessed this contract and created a few extra zombies. As you saw from his reaction, he was pretty surprised. This is probably where my idea started. His reaction was pretty great, and I thought, it'd be pretty funny if we add more zombies to his contract. And then this happened a few minutes later in class.
Maybe a leaderboard, who's winning the game. So who owns the most zombies with the most leveled up and things like that. So a few other commands like level me up, I'll pay some money so that I can have better chances of winning wars. And I'll just give you all the address and you can go mess around with it. And so maybe if I publish this on Tuesday, maybe a week after spring break, I'll probably bring this back up again and we'll be having probably 500 zombies in here. So wouldn't surprise me knowing you guys. So
okay, yeah, let's get her done. 500 zombies by the end of spring break. Can we do it? Let's do some math. So the way the contract is set up, you can create a zombie with your current address. But after you create one zombie, you can't create any more. So the only way to get more zombies is to eat crypto kitties. And the way that function is set up is that there's a 24-hour cooldown. So spring break's like a week or 9 days or whatever. Probably only going to be able to get 7 zombies. 7 zombies is not 500 zombies. 7 zombies is not going to blow anybody out of the water. No fear though, the professor dropped a bombshell in class today.
the second modification I made was, I'll be darned if I'm going to wait 24 hours before my zombie could make another attack. I changed the time, the ready time, to 5 minutes. I want to speed this game up.
The cooldown of 5 minutes versus 24 hours is going to be huge. 7 times 24, that's how many hours there are. Times 60, that's how many minutes are in an hour, right? So that's 10,080 minutes. So now if we divide by the cooldown, this is going to give us 2,016 zombies. If I was cranking out exactly at this 5-minute cooldown, if I just sat around my whole spring break and every 5 minutes, no sleep, nothing, just clicked and ate a zombie, I would get 2,016 zombies by the end of this little journey. Oh darn, man, I'm gonna sit around and waste my whole spring break just clicking buttons and getting zombies to make a point, to feel special. If only there was some way to automate this tedious task. Oh, there is. I'm gonna create a bot that's gonna click a button for me every, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes and just start adding zombies to his blockchain.
Tanner, how are you gonna do that?
Well, I'm gonna need a lot of ether to complete all these transactions. Then I needed to create a zombie to lead this army, which ended up looking something like this. And then I'm gonna need some type of script to click feed on kitties every 5-ish minutes. Oh shoot, dude, I hope this isn't too tough. As you can see, the script clicks on feed on kitty, fills in the zombie ID, randomly generates a kitty ID, signs the transaction, then approves it via MetaMask, and bada boom, it's created. Now all I had to do was throw that in a while loop, start up the script when I go to the beach or when I'm going to sleep, and it'll just get zombies for me and hopefully create the reaction that I'm looking for. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's cut to some updates from future past me. What's up guys, it's Wednesday, we're about to leave California. I've been letting the bot run overnight, and then sometimes I'm gonna go to the beach. So I currently own 389 zombies out of the total 432. So there's a few days left, and we're just gonna see a few days left of spring break, and we're just gonna see how many zombies we can get. What's up guys, it's Thursday. I currently own like 480 out of the 500 total zombies, so it's not too shabby. There's a couple days left of spring break. Took my sweatshirt off to try and fool you guys into thinking that I'm recording every day, when in reality it's not happening. So we'll check back in a couple days, hopefully with a reaction and the total number of zombies I've created. What's up guys, it's a Tuesday before class is about to start up. So spring break's basically over. I have 692 zombies. I think I'm gonna call it good for now. You probably want to see what 692 zombies looks like, don't you? Well, here we go. Here's our little web interface. There's General Auto, that first female zombie we created that's been eating all the kitties afterwards. You probably noticed that there's 77 pages, and there's supposed to be 9 zombies per page, so that multiply those two together and you get 693 zombies. Little bug here, there's more than 9 showing up, but it just shows that if all 692 zombies were on one page, we'd be scrolling for forever, really. I didn't let my computer run 24/7 over spring break. That just wasn't worth it for me, but I let it run overnight and stuff, and while we were on the beach. I'm gonna show the code real quick for all you nerds out there, but only for a little bit, so just pause the video on the code if you really want to analyze it. It's pretty basic, honestly. There's nothing too complex. You just import a library and then just start calling functions. Pretty easy stuff. So now we're just gonna check in on the next couple days of lectures, see if he mentions anything. If he does, then it's gonna be in the video. If not, I'm still gonna upload this. Well guys, it's been a couple days, and sure enough, we got a reaction. There's a post on our class page that says, somebody is creating hundreds of zombies, -- please stop. If you own address, my address, and have been creating many crypto zombies each day, please stop. You are interfering with future assignment. Whoever you are, please write to me and identify yourself and why you're creating these zombies and how you are doing it. I assume some sort of program. You are not in trouble, I just want you to stop. No, we got a reaction. I emailed him, we talked about it, we cleared it up, not in trouble or anything. It just, this is it, here we are. He said he wanted to see 500 zombies on this crypto zombie bit by the end of it, but I don't know if he was fully expecting it. So we did it. It only took me about 4 months to upload a video this year, so that's not ideal, not what my goal was for this year. I've been working on a project for the past like 5 months in my free time. It's the most complex thing I've done so far, so that's why it's taking so long. So maybe that'll be the next video up. It might be something smaller like this again. No promises when that'll be out though. I have a lot of cool things that I want to do, but it's just a matter of finding the time to do them. So thanks for watching guys. Subscribe if you're not. We'll see you next time.